RailVision, a trailblazer in railway safety and AI-driven vision technology, has achieved a remarkable milestone by securing a $355 million follow-on order from a prominent Latin American mining company. This significant order is a landmark towards large-scale commercialization of its innovative technology and its growing presence in the Latin American market. The follow-on order is for RailVision's cutting-edge mainline system, which provides real-time obstacle detection, classification, and alerting up to 2 kilometers ahead. This advanced technology ensures safer and more efficient railway operations, even in extreme weather and lighting conditions. The system's scalability and reliability have earned it a strong reputation in the industry, and its adoption is driving increased growth and market penetration for RailVision. The Latin American mining company, a respected industrial player in the region, has recognized the value of RailVision's technology in enhancing safety and optimizing rail transport efficiency within its extensive mining operations. This order marks an important step in expanding the client's deployment of mainline across its railway fleet, underscoring the system's critical role in improving safety and efficiency. RailVision's CEO, David Ben-David, expressed enthusiasm about the company's growing momentum in the Latin American market, stating that this additional order is a strong endorsement of their technology. He views this achievement as a gateway to further potential expansion across the region and a significant step toward their global growth strategy. The success of RailVision's mainline system comes down to its innovative integration of advanced electro-optics, deep learning, and big data analytics. This cutting-edge technology enables railway operators to enhance safety, optimize efficiency, and transition toward autonomous operations. With its expanding customer adoption and repeat orders, RailVision is solidifying its position as a key technology provider in the railway industry. Supporters reason a proven track record and growing customer base can lead RailVision to make a lasting impact in the industry and achieve long-term revenue growth and market penetration. RailVision also recently made a significant leadership transition, appointing David Ben-David as its new Chief Executive Officer. This move comes as Shahar Hania steps down from his role as CEO to pursue new opportunities. Hania will continue to support the company as a member of its board of directors, ensuring a seamless transition. David Ben-David brings a wealth of experience and expertise to his new role, with over 25 years of global experience in driving innovation in artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and other transformative technologies. His impressive track record includes serving as CEO and co-founder of TensorLeap, a pioneering deep learning analytics platform, and Augment, a provider of high-end augmented reality solutions for the retail sector. With his dynamic and entrepreneurial leadership style, Ben-David is expected to drive growth, innovation, and success at RailVision. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.